so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Whoa! Hey! It's me, Blippi, and today we're at Rolling Robots in West Los Angeles. This store is awesome. Come on! Whoa! Check it out! Wow, this place is all about robots, and I sure do love robots. Whoa, hey, here's one right here. Let's wind it up and let it go. Oh, silly robot. Wow, let's check out what else is in here. Whoa, look at all of these. Oh, here's a robot. It's like a brush. Ooh, I wonder what this one does. I don't know, but it's blue and gray. Wow. Whoa, this one looks like it cleans. Me, me, me. Oh, what kind of animal does this look like? Yeah, a crab. And this one kind of looks like an insect. Wow, pretty cool. Look at all the legs. And here's one way over here. Huh, this one must color. Pretty cool. Let's continue to explore. Whoa, look at these. These are all trophies. Check it out. Wow. This team won this trophy because they took these robots and then completed this challenge really, really quick. Wow, good job, team. Whoa, and there's some more cool things back here. Wow, look at this area. This area has a bunch of robots and a bunch of really cool objects. Check them out. Whoa, what color are these? Whoa! This one is the color blue, and this one is the color orange. My two favorite colors. All right, time to operate some robots. Ready? Here we go! All right, let's continue to explore. Do you see these robots? All of these robots were designed, built, and coded by kids. Check this out. Whoa! Look, this is the Blippi bot. Whoa! Hey, Blippi bot! Even my hat is on Blippi. And check this out. The Blippi bot loves to give high fives. Watch! Whoa! Watch this! Over here! Yeah! Now a double! Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah! Whoa! Who are you?
My name is Sammy.
Ooh, Sammy, nice to meet you. I'm Blippi. What are you doing?
I'm working on code for my robot.
Whoa, code? What does that mean?
Code is like instructions that you give to a robot to tell it what to do.
Wow, that's pretty cool. Will you show me a robot that you've coded before?
Oh, yes. Right over here is a robot that I built and coded with my team.
Wow, this is a really cool robot. Have you named this robot before?
No, we actually haven't. I don't know why.
Huh, well maybe you and I can think of a name for this robot after we see what it does. Will you show us what it does?
Sure.
Whoa. Whoa.
The robot makes stacks of cubes.
Did you see that? Oh, that's so cool. Well, I think we should name this Stacky. Yeah, Stacky! Stacky the robot. Oh, that is so cool. And these blocks are so colorful. Well, thank you, Sammy, for showing us Stacky. Check this out way back here. I'll see you later, okay? Bye. See ya. Come back here. Did you see these robots? I saw more robots and got excited and wanted to check them out. Look at it. It's so cool that robots can do so many different things. Like this one. Do you see that? What's that on top? Yeah, that is a clock. Yeah, what if you're like all the way on one side of the house and you don't know what time it is? Yeah, you program and code your robot to then go right to where you are, so then you can tell the time. So silly. Whoa, this one. Check this out. Wow. Whoa. This one has a little claw. Hello. Whoa. Whoa. And this looks like you can probably open it up, close it on something, and pick something up. Wow. Whoa, and look down here. Whoa. What are these? I don't know. What are these? I don't know. Just kidding. These are hollow cubes. This one's a blue hollow cube, and this one is a red hollow cube. And the kids that program these robots, they program them to pick them up and move them. Yeah, and tell these robots to help them do things. Yeah, like these. They can even tell them to put them on their eyes like glasses. Hello. Hello. They can stack these, or maybe they could tell the robot to throw them in the air. Woohoo! That's so silly. Oh, check out this case over here. See this case? They told me that there's a lot of robot parts in here. Yeah, and then maybe you and I can put all the parts together and build a robot. This is gonna be fun. Here we go. Whoa! All of this robot stuff has been so much fun. I'm excited to see what's inside. Whoa, check it out. It's a robot building coat. Wow, how do I look? Yeah, Team Rolling Robots. Woohoo! All right, here we go. Now it's time to build a robot. Wow. Whoa, a C channel. Whoa, and big gears. And here's the motor attached to a bunch of gears. Do you see that? Whoa, this is the claw. Ew, ew, ew. Ooh, and we even have some nuts and bolts. Wow. Okay, well, I don't know where to start with this. This looks pretty tricky. But hey, check these robots out. Wow, look at this one. Remember it from earlier? Yeah, it looks like an insect. Hello. Okay, let's see how to do this. Let's turn it around. Turn like a circle. All right, here we go. Ready? Whoa! Whoa! Wow! Do you see it? Wow, you built up all the energy, and when you let it go, it walked like an insect. Yeah, wait a second. What's this robot do? Yeah, remember? Yeah, we talked about how it looks like it. Colors. Do you see the colors of these markers? What colors are they? Yellow, blue, and red. Yeah. All right, let's take off the caps. Here we go. Now, let's put it on this white piece of paper right here. And then let's turn it on. Whoa! Whoa, look at it spin. Whoa! Whee! Whoa! Wow! Look at it. Whoa! That's awesome!
Hi!
Whoa!
Look at your amazing artwork!
I know, look at it! Wait,
I bought some robot for you.
you did? What did you bring? A robot?
A robot that we can battle.
Whoa!
But you have to first build it.
Really? So if I build this robot, you and I can battle our robots together?
Yes.
Okay.
I bought your screwdriver.
Ooh, a screwdriver?
And I bought you the battery.
Ooh, a battery!
That's the energy source for the robot.
Okay.
Here you are.
Oh, thank you.
Have fun.
All right, thanks. Oh, here we go. Did you hear that? So if I build this robot, she and I can battle our robots. Whoa, we have the motor, we have a gear. Ooh, and these look like the legs. Do you remember that robot from earlier that looked like an animal? Yeah, it was the robot that looked like a crab. Yeah, so that's what we are going to build. Here we go. We did it! Good job, check it out. It's a Blippi robot, and this one is a Blippi crab robot. Woohoo! Good job.
Good job, Blippi.
Oh, hey, Bing.
You finished it.
Yeah, that was
What a-
so much fun.
That's amazing. So now it's a time for battling. Are you ready?
Battling? Yeah, I'm ready. Let's do this.
All right, let's move this platform for us. That's
Okay.
our arena today.
Okay, so
And
how do we
I
play?
have a robot.
Okay.
And we're gonna turn on. Here is a switch.
All right.
We're gonna turn our switch on. Look, our robots are ready. And
Okay.
we're gonna put on each side of our platform.
Okay, last one to stay on the platform wins. Ready?
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go! Whoa!
Oh no! We both fell.
won! Good
Yay!
job!
Let's do one more time.
Okay, all right. Okay,
Oh, I lost the little arm.
here we go.
Oh my gosh! But
There's
I
your arms.
can still do the
Oh.
battle.
My arms are gone.
That's all right.
That's okay.
We can just live without.
Maybe without the arms. Maybe this time I'll win. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa!
Your robot is so easy
Okay.
to fold. Let's try
All right.
one more time.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Boom!
Oh my God! First you won.
Wow,
Good
that was so
job.
much fun. All right, let's go continue to explore rolling robots. Woohoo! Whoa! Hello! Hello! Hey! Remember Sammy from earlier? Yeah, I think he's practicing for a robot duel. I think you and I should accept his challenge and go in for a duel. Let's go! Whoa! Hey, Sammy!
Hi, Blippi.
All right, what are we doing here?
We're gonna try to knock down all of these towers as quick as we can.
Okay, all right, let me grab the remote. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Whoa! Yeah! Oh, one left. Here we go!
One more.
Oh, another one! Whoa! There we go! Whoa! Good job! That was so much fun! Well, thank you for having us at Rolling Robots. Alright, well, this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! Good job! Alright, see you later. Bye-bye!
Come